Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a web application with GoDaddy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your product page. Scroll down to the web hosting section. Click on Manage next to the hosting account you want to use. In the account dashboard, locate the File Manager option. Click on File Manager to open the file management interface. Select the root directory or the specific folder where you want to deploy your application. Upload your web application files by clicking the Upload button. Choose the files from your computer and wait for the upload to complete. Once the upload finishes, ensure all files are placed correctly. Next, locate the Domains section in your GoDaddy dashboard. Find the domain you want to point to your web application. Click on DNS settings for that domain. Edit the record to point to your hosting account's IP address. Save the changes to your DNS settings. Next, access your web application's configuration files if necessary. Update any database or environment variables as needed. If your application requires a database, navigate to the Databases section. Create a new database and user as per your application's requirements. Ensure to record your database credentials for configuration. Open the configuration file of your application and enter the database details. After configuring everything, visit your domain in a web browser. Check if your web application loads correctly. For troubleshooting, revisit file permissions if you encounter issues. Adjust settings in your application if pages or features do not work as expected. Congratulations, your web application is now live on GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.